In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate auto reply in Crisp Chat. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar of your browser, type in Crisp Chat and hit Enter. This will bring up the Crisp Chat homepage, which is where we need to be to get started. Once you're on the Crisp Chat homepage, go ahead and log in. You'll enter your credentials, your username and password, to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure you have your mobile device ready to complete that part of the login process. Logging in will direct you to your personal Crisp dashboard. Now that you're in, take a look around the dashboard. It's the central hub for managing your Crisp Chat settings and integrations. Your next task is to locate the sidebar within the dashboard. This sidebar is chock full of options and settings, and it's where most of the magic happens. With your eyes on the sidebar, you will find a section dedicated to plugins. Plugins are essentially little add-ons that customize and enhance the functionality of your Crisp Chat experience. Within this space, you'll be looking specifically for automation settings. These automation features can be really helpful in managing chat interactions, but sometimes you need to turn them off to regain personal control over your chats. Scroll through the list of plugins until you identify the automation you want to deactivate. Each automation will have on-off toggles or some other kind of disable feature right there next to them. These toggles are designed to be user-friendly, so switching them on or off should be seamless. Click on the toggle next to the specific auto-reply automation that's currently active, and just like that, it will be deactivated. Now, to ensure that everything went smoothly, it's a good idea to check back over your settings. Make sure the automation feature you intended to disable is indeed turned off. If you've successfully followed along with these steps, your Crisp Chat will no longer automatically reply using that particular feature, and you can now manage the conversations exactly how you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deactivate the auto-reply feature in Crisp Chat. This simple modification can keep your customer interactions more personal and tailored to your unique style. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day and take care.